Okay. This is pretty much an audio test for a Snowball Ice mic. So I'm just going to be rambling on for a minute. I'll probably do one of these in the future once I upgrade my mic again. Oh yeah, quick shout out to Siron45 for recommending the mic to me. So, Daredevil was canceled. I know, breaking news. Still sucks though. Arguably one of the best live action superhero shows, man. Saying, damn companies can't get along. Well, at least it went out with a bang, so that's nice. Also gotta make a fun video out of it. Stay tuned for part 2 when they finally announce Punisher has been cancelled. Well, that should do it. Can't really think of anything else. Oh, that's right. Shiki Epidemic is going to be 10 episodes long. Episode 1 is dropping on February 8th. See you then.